World Nature Conservation Day, 28th July. Every year on 28th July, World Nature Conservation Day is observed to raise the awareness about the significance of natural resources and encourage the people about the practices of protecting them. The day recognizes that a healthy environment is key to a healthy and sustainable society. So people should put an effort to protect the earth and conserve the natural resources. Significance. Each and every activity in the world depends upon nature. So people should understand that any activity they do will affect the earth. Conservation of nature is of utmost importance to all human beings and their life on earth. Earth has given essential need to live like water, air, trees, animals, food, soil, minerals, etc. So it's people's duty to keep the environment safe and clean. There are so many threats to nature, such as deforestation, illegal trade in wildlife, pollution, plastic use, chemicals, industrial developments, and many more factors. So it is important to protect nature and to create a healthy environment for present and future generations. History. The founder and the history of World Conservation Day is unknown, but the main objective of celebrating this day is to protect, maintain, and conserve the natural resources and habitats. Due to depletion of natural resources and the imbalance in the ecosystem, people face the risks like natural disasters, global warming, and various diseases and much more. So the only solution to overcome these problems is to preserve the natural resources by creating awareness to the people around the world and encouraging them to protect the environment in an effective manner for present as well as future generations. How can we conserve nature? Plant a tree. Planting trees for the environment is good as they are renewable, biodegradable, and recyclable. Conservation of water. Conservation of water means careful and economical use of water. We should conserve water as it is a precious natural resource. Reduce the use of electricity. If we reduce energy consumption, then power plants will need to produce less electricity and thus reducing the number of fossil fuels burned every day. Spread awareness. We should understand the importance and value of our natural resources. Use less paper. We must try to use less paper as far as it is possible. The benefit of reducing paper consumption is saving the wood. How to observe World Nature Conservation Day. On the World Nature Conservation Day, spread a message about the significance of conservation of nature with friends and family. Some other ways to celebrate the day are: participate in the events, seminars conducted by various organizations on this day. Try to avoid using plastic materials. Use recyclables, reusables, and restorable products in day-to-day life. Plant more trees and preserve them. Form a group and educate the people and take some conservation activities. Use hashtag World Nature Conservation Day on social media and share the celebration on Nature Conservation Day. Some environment conservation facts. For toilet paper, nearly 27,000 trees are cut down every day. If the paper used on New York Times daily alone is recycled, we would save 75,000 trees. It would take more than 4,000 years for a modern glass bottle to decompose. An estimated 50,000 species which inhabit tropical forests are annually extinct. This is 137 species a day on average. Throwing of plastic bags and plastic materials kill nearly 1 million sea creatures. The rainforests are cut at 100 acres per minute. Landfills comprises 35% of packaging materials. Worldwide, wildlife habitat is being destroyed at about 5,760 acres every day or 240 acres every hour. More than 4,000 tons of lead are fired into the atmosphere by hunters per year in the United States. It results in about 20 million animals being poisoned to death.